Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. These DIYs that I have been showing you all weekend are inspirational DIYs that you can recreate and enhance to sell on Etsy. So if you want to see what I've come up with for today, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in this first DIY, I am taking the wooden picture frame that you can purchase at Dollar Tree. These frames are available year-round. I've never had a problem picking them up. And so what you can do is just paint them using whatever color you want, but in mine I used the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color linen white. I am going to paint both sides of this particular frame, and I will be leaving the painting techniques inside of this video. I just did not feel like going through all the edits, so sorry guys, but nevertheless I did speed it up for you, and I am now drying it using my heating tool. It did work a little bit today. I did have some problems. And now I am distressing it using some burnt umber paint. This is by Apple Barrel, and you can pick this paint up at Walmart. And now I'm taking these before I do that, I am tracing out the picture of me and my honey, also known as my handsome, also known as Uncle T. And if you have yet to go and subscribe to his channel, please make sure you go on over and subscribe to his channel, The Lies You Tell with Uncle T. You will not be disappointed in the content that he's bringing to the channel. And now you see me just taking the X in a heart shape that is going to be used as the O, and then the X and the wooden heart shape again. And these pieces of heart, or this wood hearts, came from the Dollar Tree. They were in a 6-pack, and they had like 3 different versions of this heart. And now I just created a bow and tied it to the top of my picture, and I dry brushed over the wooden heart just because it was standing out. It was a little darker than what I wanted for this particular project. And I'm painting the little stem, or the stand piece that goes in the back of this frame, to have it sit up. And there you have it, guys. Now moving right along to DIY number 2. I have one of the heart shapes that you can purchase at Dollar Tree. Now is the time to get them while you can, because they are going off the shelves fast. So that tells me that there are a lot more people crafting, which is great. I love it. And again, I'm using that Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color linen white, and I will be painting both sides of this piece. So while you watch me paint this, guys, I just want to welcome everybody back to my channel. I'm praying that each and every one of you have had a beautiful Sunday. I mean, I had a great time getting fed the Word of God, and I just had an absolute wonderful day. And I pray that you have experienced the same thing. And I had an idea for that, but then I changed it and just decided to give this thing I had in my hand a separate DIY, a bonus, so to speak. So now I'm taking these dowel rods. These are the flat dowel rods, and I learned that's what they call them according to my friend May with Crafting with May. If you have yet to check out any of her videos, head on over and just say, May Joycelyn Joy told me to say hello. And now I am using this crimson red paint, or the crimson paint by Waverly. It's a chalk paint that you can find at the Walmart. And I had previously cut out this arrow. I cut it in half. I did have the full arrow, purchased it from the Dollar Tree. I just used my jigsaw to cut it in half. And now I'm taking my heart that I've painted, and now I am getting ready to add a strip of red paint in what I thought was the center. And guys, for some reason I still cannot get these things straight, but nevertheless you get the gist of it. Don't make the same mistakes that I made. I mean, sometimes mistakes are good, and in this case it was okay. The end result is cute. And again, I'm just going around touching up on the edges with this crimson paint and drying it. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And again, I'm just painting over the pieces to make sure it had full coverage. And now you see I am getting ready to glue down my piece to form the Cupid heart. So you see I have it on one side, and I did paint both sides of this arrow. I left the back side in the white and the front sides, of course, red. And so far this is looking rather cute, I must say. I like it. And again, this is an inexpensive way to create something that you can sell on Etsy. I mean, hey, people will buy it, trust me. And so now I'm taking these letters. I bet you don't know what I'm going to spell. Yep, joy. So I am putting joy. I'm going to glue it down across the center of this heart, because joy is in your hearts and you're in mine. You know the song, the lyrics say, God is the joy and the strength of my life. He moves all pain, misery, and strife. God is. Well, here you go, guys. God is joy. And so I am just getting ready, like I said, to glue down the word joy. And since I didn't get to use all of my letters for Christmas, I wanted to bring some joy to Valentine's Day. And you see that on the edges of the arrows, I did dry brush those with some of that white paint. And now I've created my bows. You know, I like creating bows, and I put them on the top portion and the bottom portion of this sign. Now I'm just going to the back, and I'm just using the excess paint that was on the brush and just dry brushing it all over this piece. And now I'm creating the hanger for it. This is a wall hanging piece. And now I'm just clearing, cleaning up the back edge where the rope was glued down. And you will see this project in the reveal. And here's a bonus DIY. I was going to create a planter for this on top of the heart, which you still can do that. But I decided to let it be a standalone project. And I am just using that Rust-Oleum chalk paint, linen white. You all got it by now. And I'm just going to paint this entire piece in that paint color. Again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. Guys, are you ready for the work week? I am not. We are closing out the year, and boy, I was on vacation, and I had a lot to do and a lot more to do since I'm back. So now I'm taking some of these wood cutouts, heart-shaped wood cutouts that you can purchase in a pack from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just covering over that heart shape that was already cut out in this piece. And now I'm just dry brushing, like I said, using the excess red paint that was on the brush to dry brush over this. And at first I had, I wasn't going to paint the back because I was going to glue it down on top of the heart. So then when I made it a standalone piece, I had to paint it. And now I'm doing to the back what I did to the front by adding one of those wood heart cutouts to it. And now I am taking some of this pool noodle and let it act as the foam that I would need to stick my flowers or florals down on the inside. I'm taking some of that those pink stems that I purchased. I think this came from either Michael's. I don't think I got it from Walmart. I could have, I don't remember. I'm thinking it was Michael. It could have been Hobby Lobby. I don't know. Anyway, it's pretty. And so because of this piece looking like it had pink in it, it really bounced off this piece really good, and it was really cute. And guys, this is it. This is the reveal. Look at, not that, but look at that couple. Look at them. They're so cute. That is my honey, zooming in, and me. I can't wait till May. We will be celebrating 33 years marriage. And then there's Joy. That is my heart. And I thought this turned out really cute. A good sized piece, I might add. And I kept it very rusticy, or I did just a lot of dry brushing on all of these projects because, like I told you, rustic farmhouse decor is my style, and with that style comes a lot of distressing and stuff like that. But here's the bonus DIY. Did that not turn out cute? Let's say it is cute. I absolutely love this. I think this will be a great thing that you can upload to Etsy to sell. And when you create these projects and you want to resell them, just keep in mind what would you pay for them. And here's all of the projects that I've created for this Etsy extra income DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put these together and have gained some inspiration to, consider earning extra income by recreating items on a budget that you can actually earn some extra money from. And I will be uploading to the channel this week. I cannot promise you what day, but know that I will be uploading to the channel some more Valentine's Day. And if there's nothing else, bye guys.